How to withdraw in Litmatch. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to withdraw in Litmatch. So Litmatch is a social networking app primarily focused on connecting peoples and fostering a relationship. Now, it does not typically involve financial transactions or withdrawal like some other platforms or app provide. Therefore, there is no functionality within Litmatch for users to withdraw funds or earning. If you're referring to withdrawing from Litmatch in terms of deleting your account or removing your profile from the app, you can usually do this within the app settings or account management section. So here's how you can do it. First thing is open the Litmatch app on your device and then navigate to the settings or account management section by tapping the profile icon and then click the gear icon from the top right, and here you can look for the option related to account settings, privacy or account management, and within the account setting you should find an options to delete or deactivate your account. Then you can follow the prompt to confirm the deletion or deactivation. So that's how you can withdraw in Litmatch. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.